Hello, good morning students. Welcome in STIT online classes. मैं रामपाल प्रजापत from electrical department. Dear student, for today class our subject is circuit analysis part 27, and for today class our topic is conversion of two-port network part 3. So in this class we will discuss about the conversion of two-port network parameters. In previous class we have discussed about conversion of Z parameter to Y parameter and Z parameter to T parameter. Now for today class we will study conversion of Y parameter to Z parameter. So today class we discuss on conversion of Y parameter to Z parameter. So now we remind the procedure of conversion of two-port network parameters. So steps are: first, we will write the equation of a two-port network in terms of desired parameter, and second step, we write the equation of two-port network in terms of given parameters. And in step 3, we rearrange the equation of step 2 in such a way that they should be similar to the equation of step 1. And in last step, we equate the similar equation of step 1 and step 3, and we will get the desired parameters in terms of given parameters. So we have to follow these all steps of conversion of two-port network parameters. Now, conversion of Y parameters to Z parameter. So first of all, here the required parameters are Z parameters and the given parameters are Y parameters. So first of all, we have to represent Z parameters in terms of Y parameters. So in this case, Z parameters are the desired parameters and Y parameters are the given parameters. So we know that the following matrix equation of two-port network regarding Z parameters as Y11 V1 is equal to Z matrix of Z11 Z12 Z21 Z22 and I matrix is I1 I2. Now in step 2 we write the equation of Y matrix, which is the given matrix, that is matrix of I1 I2 is equal to Y matrix Y11 Y12 Y21 and Y22, and voltage matrix is V1 V2. Now in third step we modify the equation of step 2. So V1 V2 matrix is equal to inverse of Y matrix into I1 of I2. Now in last step we equate equation 3 and 4. We get Z matrix of Z parameters, that is Z11 Z12 Z21 and Z22 is equal to the inverse matrix of Y or inverse of Y matrix. So here Z11 Z12 Z21 and Z22 are the parameters of Z matrix which can be found from the parameters of Y matrix, that is equal to Y22 minus Y12 and minus Y21 and Y11 divided by del of Y. The value of del Y is equal to Y11 Y22 minus Y12 Y21. So we just by doing the inverse of Y parameter matrix we get Z parameter matrix. Now Z parameter matrix is Z11 Z12 Z21 and Z22, and Y parameter matrix is Y22 Y11 minus y12 and minus of y21 divided by del of y. Now we take a example. In this example, question number 1. For the given network, find y parameter and also find z parameter in terms of y parameter. So first we find y parameter. So y parameter is y11. First parameter is y11. The value of y11 is equal to I1 upon V1 when V2 is equal to 0. V2 is equal to 0. It means terminals of port 2 are short circuited. So at port 1 we consider voltage is V1 and current is I1. So we apply KVL in this loop. So the value of V1 is equal to 5 plus 5 into I1. So I1 upon V1 is equal to 1 upon 10. So it is the value of y11. So the parameter y11 is 1 upon 10 and its unit is mho. Now the next parameter is y12 and the value of y12 is I1 upon V2 when V1 is equal to 0. Now we solve the terminals of port 1 and at port 2 we consider voltage is V2 and current is I2. Voltage is V2 and current is I2. Now V2 is I1 is in the port 1. So the I1 in terms of I2 using current division rule, its value is 5 upon 10. Its value is 5 upon 10 of I of 2 and the value of V2 is equal to, what is the value of V2? V2 is 5 parallel 5 plus 5 into I of 2. Now we can find the value that is equal to 7.5 or 15 upon 2. We can also write 15 upon 2 into I2 and the value of I2 in terms of I1. What is in terms of I1? I2 is equal to 2 of I1. So we find 15 into I1. So the value of I1 upon V2 is equal to 1 upon 15. What is the value? Value of y12 is equal to 1 upon 15. Unit is mho. Now next parameter is y21 and the value of y21 is value of y21 is, what is the value of y21? Y21 is I2 upon V1. What is I2 upon V1 when V2 is equal to 0? I2 upon V1 when V2 is equal to 0. Now we short circuit the terminal of port 2 and current in port 2 is I2 and voltage at port 1 is V1, current is I1. Now V1 is equal to, what is the value of V1? V1 is equal to 15 upon 2 of I1 and I1 is equal to I1 is equal to, in terms of I2, what is the value of I1? That is equal to 2 of I2, 2I2. So we obtain 15 upon 2 into 2 of I2. 2 to 2 cancel. So we find I2 upon V1 is equal to 1 upon 15 and its unit is mho. Similarly, the last parameter is Y22. Y22 is the ratio of I2 upon V2 when V1 is equal to 0. So, we short circuit the terminals of port 1 and voltage at port 2 is V2, current is I2. So, V2 is equal to 5 parallel 5 plus 5 into I2. So the value of this is 15 upon 2 of I2. So the value of Y22 is equal to 2 upon 50 mho. Value of Y22 is 2 upon 50 mho. So from these calculations we have find a Y matrix and its parameter are Y11, Y12, Y21 and Y22. Y1 is V1 into Z. This value is 1 upon 15, 10, 5 parallel 5 plus 5. Its value is 2 upon 15. So the Y parameter matrix is Y11, Y12, Y21 and Y22, which is equal to 2 upon 15, 1 upon 15, 1 upon 15 and 2 upon 15. Now Z parameters in terms of Y parameters. We know that Z parameter Y11 is equal to, what is the value of Y11 is equal to Y22 upon del of Y, where del Y is equal to del of Y is equal to Y11 Y22 minus Y21 and Y12. So the del Y is 2 upon 15, 2 upon 50 minus 1 upon 15, 1 upon 15. So its value is 3 upon 225. 3 upon 225. So Z11 is equal to Y22 is 2 upon 15 divided by 3 upon 225. So we can find 15 to 15. So its value is 3 upon 5, that is equal to 10 ohm. So value of Z11 is equal to 10 ohm. Similarly, Z12 is equal to Y12 upon del of Y. This is equal to 1 upon 15 divided by 3 upon 225. So 15, 5. So its value is 5 ohm. And Z21 is Y21 upon del of Y. This is 1 upon 15 divided by 3 upon 225. 15, 5. So its value is also 5 ohm. So similarly value of Z22 is equal to Z11, that is equal to 10 ohm, because network is symmetrical and also reciprocal. So this is the procedure of finding Z parameter in terms of Y parameters. So we have discussed about Z parameter in terms of Y parameter. Now in next question, in this question there is a resistance of 8 ohm, this is 10 ohm, this is 20 ohm and this is 20 ohm. This is port 2, voltage is V2, current is I2, and port 1, voltage is V1, current is I1. So in this question, given that find the Z parameters in terms of Y parameter. So first we find Y parameter for the given network. For given network, Y parameters are Y11, Y12, Y21 and Y22. We know that Y11 is equal to I1 upon V1 when V2 is equal to 0. When V2 is equal to 0. When V2 is equal to 0, network becomes this only 8, 20 and 10. V1 I1. So V1 is equal to 20 parallel 10 plus 8 into I1. So when we solve, we find ratio of I1 to V1. This is equal to, what is the value? 20 into 10. What is 20 upon 3? And 20 upon 3 plus 8 is equal to 44 upon 3. And I1 upon V1 is equal to 3 upon 44. 3 upon 44. Unit is mho. So the value of Y11 is equal to 3 upon 44 mho. Similarly, the value of Y12 is the ratio of I1 upon V2. Ratio of I1 upon V2 when V1 is 0. When V1 is 0. When V1 is 0, network becomes in such a manner that V1 is 0, 8, 20, 10 and 20. Voltage is V2 at port 2, current is I2 at port 2. And I1 is the current in port 1, which is in 8 ohm resistance. So in this way, here we have to find the ratio of I1 upon V2. So we can find V2 is equal to I2 into Z, where Z is the equivalent resistance of the circuit from the port 2 side. So we obtain after calculation Z2 value we find, which is obtained as, that is 225 upon 7 of I2. Okay, but I2 in terms of I1 is, what is the value of I2 in terms of I1, which is equal to 21 upon 10. So V2 is equal to 225 upon 7 into 20 upon 10 of I1. So we find V2 is equal to 225 upon 7 into 21 upon 10 of I1. So 7 3 times. So we obtain this value. It becomes, what is the value? Value becomes 67.5 V2 upon I1. So I1 upon V2 is, we directly can write it is the ratio of 1 upon 67.5. 5. Now similarly y21 is equal to I2 upon V1. The ratio of y21 is ratio of I2 upon V1 when V2 is equal to 0. When V2 is equal to 0, network becomes in this manner. This is 10, 20 and 8. Voltage at port 1 is V1, current is I1. Current in port 2 is I2. Now we have to find the ratio of ratio I2 upon V1. So V1 in terms of V1 is equal to I1 into Z. For this given network, Z equivalent is 10 parallel 20 plus 8. That we obtain directly 44 upon 3 of I1. Okay, but now I1 in terms of I2. I1 in terms of I2 is, what is the value of I1 in terms of I2? We know that I2 is equal to 2 upon 3 of I1. So I1 is equal to, in terms of I2 is equal to 3 by 2 of I2. So the ratio of I2, I2 is, what is the value of I2? 2 upon 3 of I1 divided by 44 upon 3 of I1. I1 to I1 cancel, 3 to 3 cancel. This is 220. So the ratio of I2 upon V1, that is equal to Y21 is equal to 1 upon 22, and its unit is mho. Simply the value of Y22 is the ratio of I2 upon V2 when V1 is equal to 0. When V1 is equal to 0, circuit similarly becomes this: 8, 20, 10 and 20. Okay, voltage at port 2 is V2, current is port 2 is I2. So V2 is equal to I2 into Z, where Z is the equivalent resistance of the network from the terminal of port 2. So after calculation we obtain value of Z is equal to 225 upon 7 of I2. So directly we can also write the ratio of I2 upon V2 is 7 upon 225. So I2 upon V2 is equal to 7 upon 225. In this way we can calculate the parameters of Z matrix in terms of Y. So here we have obtained a Y matrix and its parameters are Y11 is equal to 3 upon 44, Y12 is 67.1 upon 67.5, 1 upon 67.5, and Y21 is 1 upon 22 and Y22 is 7 upon 225. So from these parameters we can obtain Z11, Z11, Z12, Z21 and Z22, which is Y22 upon del Y, this is Y12 upon del Y, Y21 upon del Y, and y11 upon del of y. Now applying the formula, we can calculate z parameter matrix in terms of y parameter. Okay dear students, thank you for today's class. Now in next class we will discuss on other parameter conversion methods.